What is going on, you guys? We're back. Today's the day. Today is the day. We gotta start peeling the livery off the wrap. Gonna do my best to keep the yellow intact because obviously we want to keep it yellow. Didn't use any heat yet. Just want to see how it comes off without the heat. Being vinyl on vinyl, I think it's actually not too bad. And with it being in the garage the whole time. I mean, it's coming off fairly well. Oh, why are we peeling the wrap, you may ask? Or the livery? First of all, it's time for a change. We want it to look like the Z post show. Second of all, it's Overfender time, baby. So we've got a little bit of yellow left. I'm hoping it's enough to wrap the overs. If not, that'll be sad. But we've got a little bit of yellow left for them. I think I saved that much. Well, because that's what was left over. But also, I was going to try to get an M bumper and wrap that. But once I wrap these overs, I won't have enough for the M bumper. But that's alright. If we need more, we can order more. If we ever get the M bumper, which I don't know now. We may need it for an intercooler spot. We may not. Alright, I'm not going to bore you with the rest of this. I'm just going to knock it out. You get the idea. Alright, guys, it's time. This is my first time ever cutting for Overfenders. So let's give it a shot. Alright.
With the Z Novas on me, I've been wrenching on my car. I be breaking shit and fixing shit. We all drift dummies. We are 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 all drift dummies. Hey. Slyways, I'm vibing with my homies in the E36 with the Z Novas on me. I've been wrenching on my car. I be breaking shit and fixing shit. We are all drift dummies. 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 We are all drift dummies.
Alright, we're going to try to do some welding now. Let's go. Alright, so it's quite clear. Don't know what I'm doing when I'm welding. We're going to get some seam filler, so. Oh, bam, baby. Okay. So, got it cut, welded enough. Now we just gotta get some seam sealer. Seal her up, ship her out, good to go. Now we just gotta drill these holes out, put some rib nuts in them. Boom, baby, we Gucci. Let's do it.
Dummies.